In this recipe, we use about 32 ounces of oat milk with our sodium hydroxide to make our solution. We added that to our oils. After the temperature of the oils and the solution, the oat milk solution, were within about 10 degrees of each other. We then added our crushed oats, our coffee grounds, and our honey to the recipe and made sure that they were mixed in well. We then poured out our 3 different colors, which were all basically just different shades of brown. We added some white to the other colors to kind of lighten the shades, but we figured that the color of the original mix was perfect, so we wanted to just kind of highlight that. Once the colors were about where we wanted them, what we did was we began pouring a layered type soap where we could get the 3 colors layered on top of each other with a little bit of swirl in them, but most of that is the layering. As you can see, Monica's pouring through the spatula, which helped the color to stay on top of the last color we poured. After about 24 hours in the molds, we will release the soap and start to cut.